ElevenLabs has finally done it. ElevenLabs has just made music generator that rivals Suno and actually probably beats out every other music generator on the market right now. Check it out.
Luna llena, no me mires así, que tu luz me recuerda lo que perdí.
But now your fire they burn like fever, 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 fever.
All the truth we push away. All the truth we push away.
Hold me in the drifting glow. When the nights won't let me go. Call me home again and again.
As you've seen in that video, you see that they're able to make amazing studio quality music, and it's absolutely insane. They say that this is ElevenLabs music, the highest quality AI music model, and they're claiming it. And this goes far beyond just music, which we'll get into a little bit later, but let's start with what can it actually do. This can actually completely control different genres, style, and structure. You can have complete control over it. Not only that, you have multilingual, including English and Spanish, German, Japanese, and more. And you can also edit the sounds and lyrics of individual sections or the whole song. This is almost like a complete music generator and editing in one-stop shop. It's absolutely amazing. They say that you can make songs like this high energy Afro Latina electric pop music. Check it out.
11. Midnight stuck on repeat where the street lights grin. Me on drips down the sideline like a slushy sin. Your Buddha mix, secret lab lights blinking green. 11 little LEDs spell a future on screen. Pigments off celebrity. Baseline chewing through the gate. Catchphrases try but can't relate. Till you drop that static fade. 11 out of 10.
As you heard in that video, that it's actually pretty good. It sounds like something that would be played on a radio, and that was all completely created by ElevenLabs. The audio as well as the lyrics and the person who is on the beat actually rapping it. I'll put a screenshot up, but the prompt was a high energy Afro Latina electric pop at 108 beats per minute, which is BPM, syncopated dembo kick and metallic snare, side chain sub bass bumped, glossy Juno pads, DX bells, arps, pitched vocal chops in the drops, verse half rapped in low register, chorus yelled with gang chants, chord loop, VIV, master bus, hot compressed for club loudness, which is very technical. I did want to point that out because this isn't just a one-liner. This was a mouthful, and you would probably need to be a music head to understand all of this. But it's not just stop there. You can even do some more retro music. Check it out.
We are drifting through the echoes of our youth, floating in the spaces where the cosmos move. Fading lights and distant trees collide. In this smoke, that's when we learn to hide. Night winds on the electric tunes, cosmic loneliness in June. Faces blur in color haze.
you heard in that example, that was actually really chill to be a music made by an AI. It says it's a dreamy, psychedelic, slow indie rock reverb soaked vocals, and it's much shorter than in the other prompt, but it actually gave us a really good high quality music, which they said it was. But also they have another one, more retro, 1950 type of feel. Check it out.
Well, the jukebox is playing that sweet old tune under neon light in this smoky saloon. I saw you dancing in your poodle skirt swing, and my heart started hopping like a spring. Hold tight, baby, don't let me go. I'm falling fast, just thought you should know. You're my daughter, my honey, my sugar and spice. When you're near me, honey, everything's so nice. Oh, I want you, I need you, let's dance all night like singing ooh-ah-ooh to our retro art song. Cherry soda sipping by the neon bar, slow dance sway beneath the evening star. Your hand in mine, yeah, that's all I need.
Now that's pretty good. That sounds like a hit record at the time in the 1950s. It even has a little piano chords, and even the vocal is that type of distortion that's done with those 1950-esque mics, and it's absolutely insane. I definitely want to do a more in-depth demo of this ElevenLabs music generator, so if you want to see that, you should definitely comment down that below, as well as subscribe so you are notified when you actually see the video be released. But let's say you don't want to have something like old-timey Latin, you wanted something like more funkadelic. They got you on that one too. Check it out.
Hop on board, feel the diesel roar. Big yellow bus rolling down Broadway's cold.
It sounds like something straight out of some type of old school 70s, 60s type of afro wearing TV series. It seems pretty good. It's a jam band song about diving through New York City in a big yellow school bus with 2 long guitar solos and lots of harmonizing. And that's what it was able to generate, and that was the prompt I just read out. But this is not the only thing it can do. And this right here may actually end services like Envato, Element, and other type of proprietary music library, because check this out. That right there was like quality movie level background aesthetics. You can't tell me you can't see that in some type of Transformers, Michael Bay movie, especially in intros or outros. That is actually pretty good and pretty high quality, but it doesn't just stop there. You can make a whole entire like studio quality. You don't even have to be in English. Check this out.
Llegamos al party, el calor se siente ya. Miro cómo mueves tu cintura, luces que brillan en la penumbra. Tu mirada me quema la piel y este ritmo te hace caer. Noche de fuego, sudor y tentación. Sigue el paso, siente la vibración. Sube la marea, sube la pasión.
As you see in that video, that was a Spanish song, and I don't speak Spanish, but it sounded really good. It sounded like a lot of reggaeton that I hear on the radio a lot. So it's actually pretty good, and just from the quality of the vocals and the beats, it seems like it was almost mixed and mastered correctly. It's not like the beat is fighting the rapper and it's louder than it. It's not like the rapper is fighting the beat. It seems like it was really thoroughly mixed together, and it's insane. Not only that, they said you can make a quick trailer out of this too, so if you wanted to have like intro video or something, you could. And one of the people at ElevenLabs actually did it, and you could check it out here.
In a world teetering on the brink of chaos, where every heartbeat echoes with uncertainty, one force will rise to challenge the shadows. The edge of darkness awaits.
Not only that, you can run this a couple different times and get exactly what you want. This is, I think, going to change the game when it comes to music generation, as well as how people edit and find and source clips. Instead of trying to look it up on Google or Google Images or trying to download it from different proprietary libraries, why don't you just pay for it and it's yours? But tell me what you think down below. Do you think that this is a complete game changer, or you think, cool, not better than any humans can create, right? That being said, your boy Dex Not Dexter out.